Total Power Pro, today the 2011 Mazda 2, stock number 7285. Strength from the first 2011 and a night 2014. This is ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Front bonnet. Left front door and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory singed exterior. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.